bombs in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Cheers, friends.
Hey there.
Welcome to the Strat.
So it's the next day and we're getting ready to check out.
So before we get to the 5 things we like and we don't like, let us tell you about the Strat and our stay.
Originally, the property was occupied by the 1979 Vegas World Hotel, which became part of the Strat and it opened in 1996. We're not 100%, but we're pretty sure we were staying in one of those rooms. The Strat, once called the Stratosphere, is an icon of the Las Vegas skyline. Its observation tower is the tallest freestanding observation tower in the US. At the top is a revolving restaurant and several attractions to test your nerves, either by rocketing you off a 921-foot platform to the tallest point of 1,081 feet, or have you plummeting 890 feet to the ground.
I didn't even know they had like little shops up here. Or they had little shops up here. I don't know if these are all COVID casualties or...
So now we need to go find something to eat. I think we have like 4 or 5 places to choose from here.
Yeah, about 4 restaurants, ranging from bar food to fine dining.
Go see what they got. Oh,
Right?
check this out. I wish I had $1.
Comfort foods.
Beer and wings.
Fine dining.
Pizza. Well, we've decided on a place for dinner.
Yeah, there aren't very many choices, so we're gonna try this grill.
Yeah, should have a nice selection of different things. Check it out.
Let's go.
Alright, so we decided to go with McCall's Heartland Grill.
Yeah. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, it's advertised as comfort food, but it's really like
A steakhouse.
smaller steakhouse.
Nice.
They're nice. Their signature steakhouse is the top of the world.
Way at the top.
Stratosphere. P-O-N-G. The waitress described it as an old-fashioned with just a hint of chocolate. I agree. Quite tasty if you're a fan of old-fashioned. The chocolate really just a little bit at the end. We decided to split the 8-ounce filet with a loaded baked potato. The dinner was tasty.
It was pretty good. I enjoyed the steak.
It's a decent steak. I'd probably give it a 7 or an 8.
Yeah, I guess an 8.
The bacon wrapped beef tips were very good.
Those were tasty.
Thought that was a good value for $18 as an appetizer.
Yeah, that probably would have been a whole meal for me.
We recommend McCall's Heartland Grill.
Yes, we would.
SkyPod observation deck is not free. They do have these automated kiosks, but we did not find any place where you could actually enter the discounts. Today it was going to be $24 to go to the observation deck. They do offer discounts for locals and people staying here. The locals can get 50% off. If you're staying here, it's only $5 a person, but you will pay an $8 convenience fee to stand in line and talk to a person at the box office. So we're at the Strat Cafe for a little breakfast. Gina's still getting ready.
Alright, we got the meat feast omelet with sourdough toast. This was pretty tasty. The meat feast omelet comes with ham, sausage, bacon, jack cheese, along with some home fries and sourdough toast.
Pretty busy this morning. If it's too busy, then Denny's and IHOP are just a walk across the street. So before we go, here's those 5 things we liked and didn't like.
We liked the dinner.
Yes, the dinner is a plus.
Dinner's good.
It's the view.
Definitely the view.
Free parking and free valet.
Nice.
But you still gotta tip your valet.
Oh, definitely. Tip. Well, you're a coffee shop. I like that.
I like the different types of thrill rides that it offers at the top. It's very unique and not something you'll get anywhere else.
Even though you see the evidence of smoke, the place isn't smoky at all.
I will say that I'm pretty happy with the value of the room. For the price, it's clean. One of the things we don't like is there's nothing around here. Do not like how small this bathroom is. Shut the door before you start doing your business.
So the room we stayed in was clean, outdated, kind of small and crampy. The hallway, it doesn't look like it's been vacuumed in weeks. For a short person, it's a hazard getting in and out of the shower. It's really tall and super slippery.
So it ended up taking about an hour and a half for them to replace the entire air conditioner. I'm really disappointed that they didn't just offer us a different room while they performed the maintenance so that we could get on with our evening. And there's no safe in the room. So later on in the evening, they came back in to replace the cover on the AC while we weren't there without any notification to us.
So all in all, our stay was decent. You come for the restaurants, you experience the view, the thrills of the SkyPod, or you come for the shows, but unless you have a reason to be on the north end of the strip, there are probably much better options out there. We would not recommend walking anywhere off of the Strat property. Yes, the room is a good value, but not the only one here in Vegas. So if you're looking for more budget-friendly hotels, check out these videos here.